Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Cloud of Champion. In this video, I'll show you how to install Terraform and work very easily and quickly. So let's get started. So first, what you need is you need Visual Studio Code to write down your Terraform configurations. You can write in any IDE or you can write in Notepad as well. But for coding, as you might all know, like Visual Studio is best IDE to write your Python script, PowerShell, then Terraform configuration, then most of the languages. It supports many extensions as well, so it's a good tool. So first, what we need is we need a Visual Studio Code, and then we definitely need a Terraform file to run our Terraform configurations. So type Terraform, go to Google and type Terraform download. Click on the first link. Then if your OS is Mac, you can use this one. If your OS is Windows, so you have to download this one, AMD 64. So my OS is Windows. If your OS is if it is Linux, then this one. So my OS is Windows. I'll download this one. Once it's downloaded, go to your file explorer in your downloads folder, extract it. So once it's extracted, delete the one which is zip file and now rename it. So you can delete this one also. So now you have a folder Terraform, and then inside this is your Terraform binary file. Copy this folder, go to your C drive, paste here. This is done. Now in your Windows search bar, type environment variables. Click on this environment variable, and then in users variable there will be a path variable. So click on this and then click edit. Then add a new line, type C colon slash Terraform, the name of the folder which is Terraform. Click OK, click OK, then OK. Close this one as well, minimize this. Now if you type Terraform from any terminal, you will able to get the version, or like you'll able to know like Terraform is installed. So you can see Terraform hyphen version. So it's showing which version of Terraform is installed in my machine. So go to your terminal in Visual Studio Code, click new terminal. Here also you can see Terraform version. So what actually I have to restart this Visual Studio Code because just now I have done the configuration in environment variable. So once I restart, this will work. So let me click new terminal. What you can do is first create a new folder into your desktop. Give it your name, Terraform demo. Then select the folder. You can check this box and then yes, trust these authors. Then once it's done, you can then the folder is created. Click this icon. This is for extensions installation. So type Terraform here. This extension will help you to write your code very easily. Like it will automatically provide syntax highlighting, then auto completion. Once it's installed, go to your Explorer back, then close this one. Click this icon to create new file. Type main.tf and then paste the Terraform code. I've taken this code from Terraform documentation. So from here you can see use provider. You can copy this code and then paste it here. You have to also write one block of code features. Once this is done, save it and then click new terminal. Type terraform version to check if Terraform is installed. Yes, it's installed. Now you can run Terraform commands like terraform init, terraform validate, terraform plan, then apply. So first basically you have to connect this with Azure, as I'm using Azure provider. So then only you can run plan and apply. So yeah, that's it in this video. Thank you for watching.